All right. In these boats here, the hull have to be polished. You know, from 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 waterline all the way up. The whole entire boats, okay, have to be compound and waxed because they didn't do it okay for for some time. So top side, the hull have to be compound and waxed. Everything's here compound and waxed and stuff. Um, Here the same things. Everything's have to be compound and waxed. So yeah, the whole boats compound and waxed. Everything's have to be done. But what we see here, there's damage here because the boats keep hitting the dock. There's damage, so that's gotta be fixed. We're gonna fix that, okay, before okay, we can compound right. So what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna sand a little bit and then do some patching or use a filler, um, so so we can could get get the cracks and stuff like that, fix all the cracks in the back here, and so this damage, okay, have to be fixed and stuff, and so that's gotta be fixed.